Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of That Pilot Guy. Today we are going to be climbing into the back of this Cessna 150 to disconnect the trim tab control cables, because we're actually going to be disassembling this airplane altogether. So first order of business is to disconnect that. So I'm going to have to climb into this tiny little spot right there and go fishing. Hey, what's up Justin? I'm about to go climbing in this little ass 150.
That sounds like fun.
It's not. Like acrobatic flying in this, like some crazy ad.
Oh, hey, what's up, man? Dude, nice angle. This is very uncomfortable back here. I do not recommend this. But, gotta get this pulley out. Almost got it.
For those of you who are curious where this is happening, we're in the back of an airplane.
You know, I really hope I can get out because I'm a little stuck right now. I'm like wedged in the fuselage, or empennage. There's rivets in my side right now. That's a very unpleasant feeling. Okay. What's up?
Back it goes.
Okay, got the tools.
That's terrific. Dude, it always drops in the worst place to get to.
All places to get to.
Alright, that's the only one on that side, so it's just the other one. What size are these? If they're the same size, I can get other wrenches and... Oh, so they're all the same? Cool. What size is that? 3/8? What size is that?
3/8.
They're both? Okay, cool. Alright, so we got the tail section of the 150 completely done. So that's all finished, and tomorrow we'll do the wings. And while we were at it, we fixed our hanger lights. This one, that one, that one, and that one were out because there's a junction block area right there that was completely burnt. And that's what happened to it. I mean, it like very much destroyed that. So it's amazing we didn't burn the hanger down. Anyways, that's fixed. So now we can work in here at night and in the early morning when it's like dark out and enjoy it, because it just gets way too hot in this hangar in the summertime. So that's awesome. Well, would you look at that, guys? We're back for day 2 of taking the Cessna 150s apart. So we've got them both stacked in here. There's the tail section one and the nose of the other one here. So like I say, as you saw in the previous video, we've already got the tails disassembled. I didn't film disassembling the tail on the other 150 because they're all the same, so it really doesn't matter. Sorry about that. There's jets taking off in the background, but what are you gonna do? We're at an airport. So anyways, now we're disassembling the main wings, and I'll show you what we're doing on that right now. Okay guys, so this video, it's kind of crazy. I know it kind of seems like the white balance and the color tones are kind of weird. That's totally my bad. Because we're shooting in this tint of a hangar here, it's like this beige color, and so it kind of sets this, well, not even that, it's the GoPro tries to color correct accordingly. So I turned that off, and long story short, I'm gonna get better at it, I promise, don't worry. This is just kind of like a video that I tried to throw together last minute, and it didn't turn out very well. I did not do any prep work into this, so that's completely my fault, so just bear with me. Anyways, we're back again, and we're gonna go do a little bit more work on getting those wings taken apart. All right, so Russell and I got the turnbuckles knocked out. Those are all finished. So the next step, we're gonna make sure everything is done and disconnected before we start moving forward. But if everything else is good, we're gonna start disconnecting the wing bolts. All right, wing bolts are out. There's one down here, one right up there, and one right up there. That was very difficult, but we got those out. So now Russell is knocking the bolt through, and then we should be ready to take this wing off. Okay, that's one side off. That was kind of difficult because these catch a little bit, and then you got to take the strut off, so one guy has to hold the other end of the wing while the other person knocks those bolts out and then holds this end of the wing and takes it off. So it's quite an interesting situation. Anyways, one down, one to go. I think this will be easier.
Take it up higher.
Oh God, I hear the fuel sloshing. It's gonna come out in my face.
Tip it towards me.
It's okay.
It's not gonna go on me. No roll over here.
Okay. Actually, I'm just gonna walk it through.
Or put that tie down or whatever in the tube.
All right, hold on. Let me find that. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well this 150's done. Both wings are off. The tail section has been removed, so finally finished this one up. So now we just got to make sure that we keep all the parts put together inside so we don't lose anything, and then on to the next one. Man, what a gorgeous sunset. What a perfect way to end it off. It's amazing because these clouds right here are so low and they're catching the sun. It's beautiful. What a gorgeous day. All right, guys. Well, thanks for catching us again for another episode. I hope that you liked it. Comment, like it, subscribe to it, share it, do all that good stuff. I really appreciate it.